Hey guys, it's Matthew Klein here, and today I will be shooting my last video in this yard. This will be the last time you guys see this setup of mine. I'm going to have to move it all and also the backdrop of where I film over there. And let me show you guys some other updates while we're at it. So a couple of people have asked me for some updates on the baobab, and the baobab is really doing well. It has all kinds of new shoots and it's growing like crazy. And also the cuttings are also all growing and have leaves on them. The only thing that's not growing at the moment is the root cutting that I made. I will just continue to monitor that. It's not rotten yet, and you can see it actually started to heal over. So I'm not sure if it will grow once it healed completely, or maybe I should cover it with soil, but I think it's still alive. And that's all from my side. Just a quick life update. I am moving soon, but I will still continue to make YouTube videos, and I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers.